Every relationship tells a story, filled with love, connection, and sometimes challenges. At Atlanta Couples Therapy, we're here to help you write the next chapter together.
Shout out Dr. Laura Lewis. She has done an amazing job being a guest on my show, COVID Can't Cancel Love. The gems, the energy, just the sheer passion and knowledge was amazing.
And if you're thinking about having Dr. Lewis come for your event, she brings a wealth of information. She will be a great addition. She definitely has an extensive knowledge in her profession as a couples therapist, and she really brings like a lot of enthusiasm and excitement to the conversation. It was a joy.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Lewis. It was such a pleasure having you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Laura, for sharing practical tools and tips with our families who are sheltering in place and with our couples on how they can help to navigate this space and to safeguard their marriage.
My name is George Amos. My wife and I, Yvonne Amos, we head up the marriage ministry here at Word of Faith. Dr. Laura and Dr. Tart today. Dr. Laura was just absolutely fantastic. That was worth any amount of money that you could put towards it. It was just that good. What a great session.
Hi, we are Dr. Kasha and Clamore Gordon, and we are excited to just stop by and tell you about Dr. Laura Lewis.
Like the
Dr. Laura Lewis, marriage architect. We've actually had Dr. Lewis speak twice now on the 4 Seasons of Marriage and a second time on Recovering from Broken Trust from a series that we lead through a nonprofit called Connect Orlando. It's the 2-to-1 marriage ministry. And she's come and been a speaker for us, and we have had amazing feedback. She has been so helpful, very well prepared. Her research is on point. She covers all the areas, all the questions, and we just so appreciate her time. It's been exceptional to just have her, the marriage architect, stop by and give her wisdom from her 15 plus years in practice.
We've been married 13 years, and we found this very informative. It gave us a lot of great tools. Dr. Lewis suggested to use a 5-hour-a-week program, and we're going to apply it to our marriage as we leave today. And so we look forward to next week to share more ideas on how to fortify.
What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing out there? I am Dr. Lewis, licensed psychologist and owner of Atlanta Couple Therapy. I am so excited to announce that we are having our upcoming annual Better Together Summit. This is 5 days of your marriage, your relationship just being poured into. We have some of the most amazing relationship experts, top-notch therapists in our community. We have experts that are going to talk to you about intimacy. We got something for the fellas to talk about manhood and being a husband and how to transition into that, even if you have limited role models. We're talking about emotional intimacy, because I know it's hard to have amazing, great sex if you are not connecting on an emotional level. So if your relationship needs to be revitalized, I invite you to join us for the Better Together Summit.
Atlanta Couples Therapy is more than a service. It's a partnership in your journey to a healthier, happier relationship.